Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef hash. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of cooked beef, 2 large potatoes, 1 onion, and some butter. You'll also need salt and pepper to season your dish. Dice your potatoes into half-inch cubes and finely chop your onion. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. This classic dish is perfect for using up leftover roast beef. Now let's get cooking. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they become translucent, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, add the diced potatoes to the skillet. Cook them until they are tender, about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to get that perfect golden brown crust. Once your potatoes are tender, it's time to add the star of the show, your cooked beef. Stir it into the skillet with the potatoes and onions. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, press the mixture down firmly with the back of a spatula to create a delicious, crispy bottom layer. Let it cook undisturbed for about 5 minutes, then flip and repeat for even more delightful crispiness. Your beef hash is ready. Serve it immediately to enjoy its warmth and crispy texture. For a classic breakfast or brunch, top your hash with a perfectly fried or poached egg. The runny yolk adds a wonderful richness. You can also serve it with a side of toasted sourdough bread or a crisp green salad for a complete meal. Remember to check the description for the link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade flavorful beef hash.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.